supposed to drive.
That's so pretty.
That is. See the fog out over the mountain.
Yeah, that's right there. How else would you get down here?
Covered Bridge Lane. Arrived.
That is picturesque. Leading right up to it. And looking out past it. This tells us a little about it. Lattice Bridge. Yeah, I guess you can drive across it. Yeah, it's still usable. It's beam joists. Yeah, I think you can drive on it. It's wet. We'll have to drive through it before we leave. Look at what you see. It's wooden pegs holding it together. You see that? It's wooden pegs. It's holding it together. Look at it all the way up. Ain't no nails in it.
There is some nails up there.
And the beams that's holding it?
What are you talking about?
Look, right here, the cross joists.
Oh, yeah.
And where they're connected at the top. I'm not talking about no nails in the whole structure. I'm talking about these cross joists. You got up on it this morning, didn't you? Kind of cool too there, they put the walk on the side like that. It is foggy.
Look how pretty that picture's gonna be.
That is pretty.
Man. Good morning.
We're gonna drive through the covered bridge. The other one we went and seen you couldn't drive on. We didn't come this far to be able to do the experience and not take advantage of it. Let's go ride through it.
Why did they cover them back in the day?
I don't know. Give you a little view of what we're looking at through the sides. Just looking out the driver's side. Man, look at that view. Fog rolling in.
You go all the way around and park somewhere right there close. Unless you're done.
Now on the opposite side of the bridge. Before we go back through, it's like a little park set up right here. Some signage over here.
grills cooking on picnic tables.
A little stone gateway you walk through here. Tells you about this trail, some of the history around it. There's a little trail here we're walking down just to kind of see the edge of the water. Used to be a picnic area they got set up. See some trash cans and benches. I bet this is pretty in the fall right here. Like where it overflows. Pretty little area though.
I want to go there.
It's a nice little picnic area right here.
So pretty.
You're kind of right in the bend of the river or the lake. It's on both sides of you. Don't get too close. You couldn't ask for much prettier surroundings. Another little trail to a picnic area on this side. We're going to see what kind of views of the lake we can get. On the opposite side, the way we came in, rode straight across the canal from us. Looking back at the bridge. Where we're parked. Let's go around here and see what kind of dynamic views we get. Layout's gonna be pretty much just like the other side, so what we're actually trying to see is what kind of views we get of this lake.
Pretty.
It is pretty. Looking back toward the covered bridge. Since it's one way in, one way out, we're fixing right back through the tunnel.
Honey, they're coming through, so you might as well back up.
Let's take the ride. Probably take your seatbelt off in case we fall in the river. We can get out of the car maybe. Just take a left.
Really?